You can make real money writing online. Not someday. Not after years of waiting. Right now. Businesses, creators, and brands need words to sell, teach, and connect, and they're willing to pay for them. The writing industry has changed. A few years ago, online writing mostly meant blogs or magazine-style articles. Today, it's a whole ecosystem. Brands need website copy, emails, ad scripts, social posts, and product descriptions. Creators want help with video scripts and newsletters. AI tools are everywhere, but they've only increased the demand for human writers who bring personality and originality. Things no chatbot can fully replicate. Pick your lane. There are endless ways to get paid for your words. You can freelance for blogs and businesses. Dive into copywriting for ads and landing pages. Write case studies or SEO content, or self-publish ebooks. Social media writing is booming. Captions, short scripts, and content calendars are always in demand. Newsletters are back in style too, with platforms like Substack paying writers directly. Even YouTube and podcast creators pay writers for engaging scripts. Build a simple portfolio. You don't need a fancy website to start. A clean Google Doc with a few polished samples is enough. Write around topics you enjoy and show you can communicate clearly. That's all clients want to see at the beginning. Start pitching and posting. Freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Legiate are great starting points. But don't stop there. Reach out directly to businesses or creators. Share your samples and tips on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram to attract attention. Clients trust writers who show up consistently online. Leverage AI, but don't depend on it. AI can help brainstorm ideas, speed up research, or polish drafts. But if you rely on it completely, your work will feel flat. Use it as an assistant. Let it handle the boring stuff while you focus on adding voice, storytelling, and insight, the parts that make your writing stand out. Diversify and grow. Don't depend on one income stream or one traffic source. Along with freelance work, you can grow a newsletter, sell ebooks, or repurpose content into digital products. Drive readers from multiple platforms: Pinterest, YouTube, Quora, niche communities. Not just Google. That way, your writing business stays stable no matter how algorithms shift. Do you want my free guide? I put together a free step-by-step guide that shows exactly how. I made thousands of dollars writing online as a freelancer, and how you can too, by simply copying the same strategies. Check the link in the description to grab your copy for free and start building your writing income today.